Okie dokie, just a short little introduction to our garden. This is going to be a good place marker come August, September. So there is the first batch of tomatoes. Those are called Rutgers tomatoes. Not exactly how we bought them, but just about a week and a half old. Another set of tomatoes. I'm looking for the type that they are, but I don't see it. This is our first group of peppers, and that's called Hot Banana. More peppers called King Arthur. And sweet potatoes. These are cool. Some of these are starting to already come out, which is really neat. And then more peppers. These are called garden salsa. Everything seems to be pretty healthy. A little bit concerned about that right this minute. Some more tomatoes. Roma tomatoes. Those are all looking healthy. Got the cages all set up for the substantial growth we will see in them. Tomatoes here. These ones are Celebrity. Got the cage all set up already. Here's our little lions. Lettuce, we've been picking this. We had some for lunch today. We'll have more for dinner. So we trimmed those all down to about 2 inches. More lettuce, same thing. Had it for lunch, we'll have it for dinner. A couple of empty spots. I'd like somebody to tell me what to put in there. I'm thinking maybe some sunflowers, I'm not sure. Brussels sprouts, a little bit concerned about those leaves, but those are looking a lot healthier than when we first bought them. Eggplant, those are looking great. And last but not least is zucchini, and those are looking incredible. So that's it. Wrap this up in about 2.5 minutes. Give you another broad overview. This is what it looked like on Memorial Day, on May 28th probably. And there's the church bells too. Little shot of the backyard. Get a little bit of size reference. Oh, these plants right here, those are all transplanted hanging plants. See what those look like in September. A couple more down here. That's it.